2. Hi, I'm Elisa from Olafson Designs Jewelers. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean your jewelry at home until it's safe to come in and have it professionally cleaned and checked at a later time. Please keep in mind that many gems are porous or dyed or have fillings in the fractures, so it's not safe to clean. With this method, we're going to put a small list of some of the ones to be careful of in the comment section below. So check those out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us or email us and we can talk about your specific needs. So for the solution, we're going to use some water, dish soap, and ammonia. If you have any simple green at home, you can also use that diluted down with water. One thing you want to do is make sure you have your drain in your sink closed and have something down to catch in case you drop your jewelry while you're cleaning. So get a container. You can also have a lidded container that you can keep just for this, so you don't have to reuse new every time. Water, a little squirt of soap, this is just dish soap, and the ammonia, a little splash. The dish soap and the water are the most important, so if you don't have ammonia, don't worry too much about that. You're going to want to put your jewelry into the container and let it soak for just a couple of minutes. Fast forward 2 minutes. The toothbrush is your friend. Use that to get up and underneath the gems in your ring. Get the sides and the top. Loosen up all those dirts and oils. Same with the chain and the pendant. You can get behind the gem. Be careful with the chain. Scrub that a little bit. And then again, make sure that that drain is closed in case you get slippery fingers. Give it a good rinse. And then just lay it out on the towel to dry. And there you go.